Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 8a, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles will be Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is visible on the first page, but you might find it on some other pages. As you can see, there's a couple of them. Once you see it, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Now in here we have a couple different things. Now I do recommend changing, for instance, the duration for quick settings. Sorry for that, I wanted to close the door. So duration for quick settings, which defines what will happen when you press on the toggle itself. By default it is set to run the mode until you turn it off manually, which in my opinion is a bit inconvenient as people tend to forget about certain things. For me, I forget about Do Not Disturb mode. So in this case, the mode would be running indefinitely till I remember that it's actually running. And obviously, depending on how you set it up, it might be basically negating any kind of calls that are trying to go through from your family members or anyone. So as you can imagine, it might be a bit annoying if you forget about it. So in here, you can select it for a specific time period and maybe make it a little bit longer, like 4 hours. And whenever you tap on the toggle manually, it will then run for exactly the specified amount of hours, which in my case it's 4. Now, obviously you can go over other options like people. This will allow you to select who can call you or message you, what applications can bypass the mode, and we also have options for notifications, and most importantly we have schedule. So this basically allows you to select a fully automatic schedule. The mode will then turn on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. Now if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here only, and the device will be turning on the toggle and the notifications on its own. But for everyone else who wants to do this manually, occasionally, find the toggle, tap on it, and with the way that it's set for me, as you can see, it tells me that it's going to be running till 7:05 p.m. because I did choose the 4-hour timer. And obviously, I can also turn it off before that time by tapping on the toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.